I choose to think positively about myself. I let go of the things that hold me back. I wake in the morning loving myself. My last thought before bed is an appreciation for what my mind and body have done for me today. If I trust what is within me, I am at peace. I let my light shine bright. Every habit I create serve me and remind me that I can do anything. I cultivate an attitude of gratitude for all that has made me who I am. I open myself to joy and pleasure and fun. I forgive others as this serves my inner peace. My outside world is a reflection of my inside world. I nourish both. I choose to make my world and my life is an amazing place to live. I love myself completely. It is not earned, it is given. I allow myself to heal. My mind is a powerful tool and I use it to create my future. I am unique. I am special. I express who I am without hesitation. I am deeply loved and carry myself in this way. I consult with my inner self to find the truth. My potential is limitless. I am gentle with myself as a friend would be. I am confident in my abilities. I listen to my body and what it tells me. I am the only me there is. I am beautiful inside and out. I love who I am. I deserve all the love and happiness there is. I, my body and everything it can do. I love myself and my uniqueness. I rest when my body and mind tell me to. My power is on the inside. All that matters is what I think of myself. I don't need to be perfect. It's okay to ask for help when I need it. I listen to my feelings and express them when I need to. It's okay to feel bad sometimes. I listen to the voice inside of me. I am a beautiful soul. I let go of what I cannot change.